A very good morning, students. Welcome to today's EVS class. In the previous class, we have learnt about the lesson safety and discipline. We have learnt about the safety and how to be disciplined. Yes or no, students? We have learnt how to be safe with the help of our parents and our teachers, and learnt how to be disciplined with ants. How they were going one by one. Okay, and we have solved some exercises, how to go in a queue and how to do our work by going in a queue, and how to check our homework, how to give our homework for our teacher for checking, and how to fill our water by going in a queue. All these things, all these disciplinary things we have learned in the previous classes. Now they have given some more exercises for you in the page number 54. We have to complete that. We have to solve that. See, students, read the statements given below. Put right mark if the statement is correct, or wrong mark if it is a wrong statement. If it is correct, then you have to put right mark, or if it is wrong, then you have to put wrong mark for that. First, we have to read the sentences. What they have given here. Standing in a queue is a waste of time. Correct or wrong, students? Yes, exactly. This is wrong. We have to stand in a queue to do our work in time. To making queue is very important to be disciplined. Okay, all will get sufficient water if we wait for our turn. Yes, of course, this is correct. We have to wait while getting the water. Okay, we have to stay in a queue. We have to stand in a queue to get sufficient water. Okay, there will be no problem if we follow the queue. Yes or no, students? This is correct or wrong? Tell me now. Yes, there will be no problem for us if we follow the queue. Yes, following queue is very good manner. Okay, it is good if you stand in a queue to get into the bus. Yes or no, students? Yes, we have to wait to get into the bus. Otherwise, we can harm many other people, or they can harm us. So, making a queue, standing in a queue is very important to get into the bus. Okay, here students, some picture they have given for us. Let's see these pictures. Some houses are there, some see school, bus station, community hall, hospital, post office, some more offices, and water tank, um, and street lights, roads, so many things we can see here. Trees, all these things we can see here. See, observe these pictures properly and answer the questions what they have given for you. Okay, why do we need street lights? The first question they have given for us, why do we need street lights? We need street lights to see at night, to go outside. If street lights will be not there, then we can't go outside because there will be darkness. We can't see anything outside. So to see at night, exactly we need street lights. Understood, students? Street lights, Bidi Deepagalu. Okay. Why do we need schools? Do you know, students, what is the answer? Yes, we need schools to study. Yes, we need schools to study. Schools are very important for us to study, to learn. Okay. What is the use of bus station? What is the use of bus station? Do we need bus station, students? Yes, we need bus stations to get into the bus and go from one place to another place, to wait for the bus. We need bus stations to wait for the bus and go from one place to another place in time. Understood? Okay, why do you go to a hospital? Why do you go to a hospital? Yes, when you will be sick, you will go for a hospital to get the treatment. Yes, if we are sick, we have to go for hospital to get the treatment. Understood? These are the facilities and the uses of the facilities. See, these are the facilities we need. Name the facilities available in your locality. Observe why people in your locality use these facilities. This is your work, students. You have to name the facilities which are provided in your villages by the help of your parents. You have to note the facilities like post office. We need post office to send our letters to others from one place to another place, and public toilets, and water tanks, to provide the sufficient water for all the people. Roads, to go from one village to another village, one place to another place. Roads, street lights, all schools, community halls to meet so many peoples in a place. So like this way, all these facilities are very important for us. So we have to take care of all these things, which were given for our society. These are all our responsibility to keep properly. So we should not harm it, we should not waste it. We should clean our surrounding clean, we should keep our society clean, and we have to keep our facilities neatly, without harming, without wasting that, without wasting water. We have to keep it properly. This is our responsibility, students. Okay, you will keep it properly now. You will take care of every facilities now of your society. Yes, yeah, as a good student, as having good manner, you have to take care of all the facilities which were provided for us. Those all things are ours. So this is about safety, discipline, and the facilities which are provided for us, students. Okay, thank you so much.